Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about the YouTube TV Spanish plan in 2025. If you're looking to enjoy your favorite Spanish language channels and shows, this guide will cover all the essentials. So, let's get started. YouTube TV offers a Spanish plan designed specifically for a Spanish-speaking audience. This plan includes popular channels like Univision's, Telemundo, Galavision, and more. It's perfectly if you want live TV, sport, news, and entertainment in Spanish all in one place. Subscribing is straightforward. Just select the Spanish plan during the sign up or add it to your existing YouTube TV subscription. The price is competitive compared to other streaming services offered in Spanish content. You can watch on multiple devices including smartphones, tablets, smart TV and web browsers, making it convenient wherever you are. Plus, with unlimited color DVR, you never miss your favorite shows. If you want to customize your experience, YouTube TV also lets you add premium Spanish language channels or switch plans anytime. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe for more streaming guides and tips. Catch you in the next one.